Your iPhone can't find any Bluetooth devices. It breaks your connection to headphones, watches, speakers, and more. Well, it's a common issue after updates or random glitches. But don't worry, fixing it is simple and takes just a minute. Let's get your Bluetooth working right now. Solution 1. Disable and re-enable Bluetooth. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, then tap on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is enabled, turn it off. Close the settings, then press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons. Quickly press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. This will restart your iPhone. Now try to connect Bluetooth again. If it's still not working, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Turn off restriction. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down a little bit, then tap Screen Time. Scroll down again, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Solution 3. Check your software update. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see any software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And there you have it. I hope this issue is solved by now. If you have any questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.